All right, this next series, I will take you through all of the exercises and then you can simply repeat the video 3 times. So first we're going to start with a seated cat back stretch. You're going to place your feet flat on the mat, bring your hands just right underneath your thighs and sit up nice and tall. Elbows are slightly bent. You're going to take an exhalation, pull the abdominals in, round in your lower back, keeping the shoulders down, and then you curve forward, actually press the palms of the hands into the thighs, and then arch the upper back. You breathe in, sitting tall, and then exhale. Blow that air out, round in the lower back, and curve forward, and press those hands into the thighs, arch up, breathe in, and again, exhale, round down. You really still start to feel the abdominals pulling in and the back stretching with each exercise, and exhale, contracting down, curving forward, and arch, and one more time, exhale, contracting down, and curve forward, press those hands into the thighs, get some leverage, and arch. Okay, so now the toe taps. You're gonna lie all the way down. This actually focuses on the lower abdominals. Arms are just resting down by your side. So let's start taking the legs up one at a time into tabletop, and we're gonna tap the toes one after the other here, right and left. Tap, and tap, and tap, and you just keep going there, alternating right and left, keeping the ribs pulled in and abdominals pulled in the whole time, arms resting down, simply hinging there, alternating right and left, tap, tap, and you can even kind of challenge yourself a little bit, tapping out away from you a little bit farther down. You'll start to feel the abdominals work even more, and tap, 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 and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, and then you can rest there. Just take your legs flat to the floor. You can kind of shake them out a little bit. And then the last one, again, focus on the lower abdominals. This is a double leg hinge. Tabletop legs, arms are resting, and you're gonna hinge both legs this time down towards the floor. You'll feel your abdominals working. Exhale to lift back up. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift up. Breathe in, and exhale, lift. Breathe in, and exhale, lift. And 2 more times, lower down, and exhale, lift. And 1 more time, lower down, and exhale, lift. Great. Now we're going to take a stretch for our quadriceps and hip flexors. This is called the knee drop. Separate your feet a little wider than your hips, keeping your feet in place and your arms out to the side. Just let your knees drop over, stretching here. You'll feel a pull across your quadricep and hip flexor. And you can even extend that left hip away from you, feeling that stretch increase while you're there, and then slowly come back to center. Now from here, over to your left, stretching here, extending through that knee, pushing the right hip forward, feels really good, and then come back to center.